Hi everyone, welcome to the Precision Data Analytics. If you enjoy learning R, Python, Excel, and SQL, especially through real-world stock data, then you're at the right place. Tonight's session we're going to be doing what's calculating and plotting the volume-weighted average price, or the VWAP, as it's referred to on the market. Okay. Before we get started, this a standard disclaimer. The information in this video is for educational instructional purposes only. It is not financial, investment, or trading advice. Any stock data shown is used solely to demonstrate analytical and technical concepts. Always do your own research or consult a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Now tonight we're going to do a very simple plot with ChatGPT. Give me step-by-step instructions on how to calculate and plot VWAP using Google Sheets. I mentioned that you can use the exact same formulas with Excel also, okay? So, I've already got our columns set up, okay? So let's start with total price. Total price is what? It's high, low, and close, right? Divided by 3. Over here, plot that, continue it down. Multiply typical price times volume, price times volume. Plot that down. Compute cumulative volume. Now this is a little interesting. We come over here and we set a seed value. We'll call it a seed value, okay? Which is simply F2, the first volume of the series, okay? Now we come over here. Below that, we multiply the volume times the cumulative volume times the volume. Is that right? Doesn't sound right, does it? Okay. Oh, this is plus. So this is volume plus F3. Okay, got it. Compute cumulative price times volume. Once again, we create a seed value up here. All right. Then we multiply. Then we add the two together, right? So we're adding J2 plus H2. So we're adding the cumulative price times volume plus the price times volume, okay? Now we calculate, come down here again, all the way down. Now we calculate WAP. WAP is just J divided by I. So we're dividing cumulative price times volume divided by cumulative volume, okay? Now let's expand this back out. So now we got our basic setup. Now it's a simple matter of, well, before we get started, I just mentioned I'm using the standard Google Finance function here, stock symbol, return all columns. This says return the most recent 100 days worth of data, okay? Let's do a plot, plot close, plot VWAP, do an insert, change the X label to 11 for minimum value. Now we got a little price action. Now we got a little action going on, don't we? This looks kind of interesting. Oh, I will mention my purpose here is not to explain this plot to you. It's simply a technology demonstration, okay? Let's come up here. Let's come up here for the fun of it. Let's change the plot. Okay? Now we should be able to come down here and even change this. Columns, do line, right? For the fun of it, let's just do area. Area is kind of interesting. Okay? And let's come here and do, let's change, let's call this VOLUME. And there you have it in 4 easy steps, or more or less. Well, let's come down here. Let's make this bold. Let's make this centered. 20 black. And there you have it. An example of how to use the Google Sheets stock function, stock history, to calculate the volume weighted average price plotted against the closing price. And there you have it. Very quick, very dirty, in under 10 minutes, I'm guessing.